Hi everybody, it's Kaylee here, and I hope you're all having a good day wherever you are. I have not filmed or been on camera in a good bit because I've just been going through a stressful time. I just had a lot on my plate, and honestly, the 14 days of love really tired me out, so that's another reason. But nonetheless, I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for you. I would show the box as usual, but I kind of already opened it and looked through it and did like a video, and then I just erased that video and I'm starting a new one. So yeah, so when you first open up the box, you get this Galaxy Glow little card. I guess this is just the theme of the box. And yeah, and also you get a 20% off Cover FX coupon. For you can use this at coverfx.com on your next purchase. It gives you 20% off, and the code is FXCharm, and it expires on the 15th of March. So here we go for the second time now. Sorry y'all, it's not like a true like unboxing, but I mean it kind of is. Anyway, so the first thing that I looked at in my box is this Seraphine Botanical Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This is a nice big packaging, and when you open it, this is like, it's like, well, surprise. But yeah, this is just good to like exfoliate and moisturize your lips, and this is regularly $24. And yeah, it just has like soft crystals, and it nourishes and gently exfoliates and buffs lips. It has a lemon zest scent. It's made with avocado, apricot, jojoba oil, as well as shea and coconut butter to help rejuvenate and hydrate lips. So that's that. Next, I opened these Cover FX, the Cover FX, let me see, Cover FX Shimmering Veil. This is $28. This is crease proof, and it can be used on your eye, and have a shimmering effect anywhere on your face, and it's for all skin types. I tried to use this on my lips. It gives like a nice little glow. I would have to get something else to like tone it down a little bit, but I'm gonna swatch this again for you. So I guess you can use this as an eyeshadow, as like a lip topper or a highlight. It's very versatile, and that is the color right there. And let's see, this is regularly $28. So the next thing on my list, well, that I opened up, this is by Vintage, and this is, let me get the name right, a smoky eye pencil, and this is for $21. And it's very creamy. I already like did it right here. It's very creamy and black. So yeah, and it's matte too. So yeah, I'm looking forward to another black liner. They kind of put a little bit too many black liners in these bags. Like, let's switch it up a little bit. I feel like the last bag I got like a black liner. I don't know. Anyway, next you have these 3 brushes. These remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes in color, and they have the little indentation right here, like the Wet n Wild brushes. But yeah, so this is by Crown Pro. This is the trio brush set. This is for $29.99. You can use this, the small brush, oh, I do that a lot. Small brush to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath eyes. The middle brush to sculpt cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. Oh, can you see it? That's the medium. And then the large brush, which is kind of taper. It's a powder brush to set everything in place. I would use this like underneath the eyes, really. I wouldn't use it like all over the face because it's too small. So anyway, the last item, which I have not opened, surprise, but this is by Naked Cosmetics, and I love the holographic. This is the holographic highlighter palette, and it's for $39.99. So let's see how this looks. Ooh, look at that. It's blinding you. Oh, I hate using that word, but anyway. But yeah, so you have 3 different color highlights. You get a pinky one, a purple one, another pink, a darker pinky one, a purple one, a lighter pink one, a yellow one, a blue one, and a green one. Sorry, I'm so slow, y'all. I just had a test, and I really didn't get to sleep good. But here is the blue, yellow, and green one, and then I'm gonna do the light pink, purple, darker pink, and these are those. Light pink, purple, no, dark pink, purple, light pink. Y'all, yeah. I need to just, like, I've had coffee, I've made it through my test, and I'm still just, like, out of it. And I gotta clean my room. Tomorrow starts spring break. My room is a mess. I spilled coffee in my room. It's just, yeah. But yeah, I'm sorry if the energy is missing out of this. I'm just so tired. But yeah, let me know below if you got Boxycharm, how you feel about it, what products you liked from this Boxycharm. I am most excited about this highlighter palette because I'm into highlighting now, and I'm least excited, as you can tell, about this pencil because we get a lot of these in Boxycharm. But yeah, anyway, if you like this video and want to see more unboxings, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.